Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're just gonna jump right into it. So today I'm gonna be using these medium length square tips by BT Art Box, this base coat from Amazon, this darker pink color from Model Ones, and then this light pink color as well. I'm also going to be using this white by the Beatles, and then a matte top coat. And the brushes that I'm going to be using, I'm just going to use this flat brush, but I do think I switched in the middle of me doing my marble, but I don't remember, so you'll see it in the video. But now I'm just going to size my fingers and put the nail tips on the stand. Now, the design that I'm doing today is going to be a pink matte set with a accent finger marble. And I already prepped my nails. If you haven't seen my last video on how I prep my nails for designs, go watch it. Okay guys, so we finished our first coat of the hot pink and we're going to cure that for 60 seconds. Now while that's in the lamp curing, we're going to start on our marble design. So I know in a few videos back you guys saw me lay out my colors on the little palette thing, and then I swirled them and scooped them up and spread them out on the nail. So this time I'm doing a different way, and I've learned a lot of different marbling techniques. So if you guys want to see a video on that, comment down below and I'll do it. But for this one, I just put like 3 big dots of each of the colors, the hot pink and the lighter pink. And with the white, I'm going to do smaller dots, but I'm going to do more dots, if you guys know what I'm saying. You guys can see it. And then once I have all my dots, I'm just going to start swirling it around. Now, I did start off using the flat brush, but I ended up switching to the striping brush because I found that that was so much easier. I don't know what made me want to use a flat brush, because it was not swirling, it wasn't marbling. So the technique that I used, I just swirled it, honestly. I just swirled it from side to side, up and down, and around. And honestly, guys, marbling is what you make it. So however you want to marble it, however you want to swirl it, 9 times out of 10 it's going to come out good. Okay guys, once you have your marble how you want it, you can go ahead and cure that for 60 seconds. And now we're going to paint our second coat on our hot pink nails. Alright guys, so once you're done painting your nails, you can put them in the lamp for 60 seconds. So this is what they look like when they came out of the lamp, and now I'm just going to paint them with the matte top coat. Alright guys, so I did cure them for 60 seconds twice. And this is what they look like. They're super pretty, super sleek. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Bye.